moreover بل دا چې he is smart moreover he is kind هغه هوښیار دی بل دا چې مهربان هم دی he is smart moreover he is kind perspective نقطه نظر try to see my perspective زما په نقطه نظر ورته د لیدو کوشش وکړه try to see my perspective rational معقول be rational in decisions په فیصلو کې معقول جوړ شه be rational in decisions recover روغېدل he will recover soon جرد چې هغه به روغ شي he will recover soon rely باور کول I rely on my friends زه په خپلو ملګرو باور کوم I rely on my friends shock صدمه The news gave me a shock خبر مالا صدمه راکړه The news gave me a shock shy شرمیلا The boy is very shy هلک ډیر شرمیله دی The boy is very shy stare نیغ نیغ کتل Don't stare at people خلکو ته نیغ نیغ مه ګوره Don't stare at people thus دغسې He worked hard thus he succeeded هغه محنت وکړو دغسې هغه کامیاب شو He worked hard thus he succeeded aim هدف My aim is to be a doctor زما هدف طبیب جوړېدل دي My aim is to be a doctor attach تړل Please attach your photo خپل انځور ورسره وتړه Please attach your photo انځور یعنی تصویر bet شرط لګول I bet he will win زه شرط لګوم چې هغه به ګټي I bet he will win carriage ګاډی The carriage is waiting outside ګاډی بهر انتظار کوي The carriage is waiting outside classic معیاري It's a classic movie دا معیاري فیلم دی It's a classic movie commute سفر کول His commute is very long د هغه سفر ډیر اوږد دی His commute is very long confirm تصدیق کول Please confirm your booking د خپل بوکینګ تصدیق وکړه Please confirm your booking criticize نیوکه یعنی تنقید Don't criticize others په نورو خلکو نیوکه مه کوه Don't criticize others differ مختلف Our opinions differ زمون نظر مختلف دی Our opinions differ expense خرچ This is an extra expense دا اضافي خرچ دی This is an extra expense formal رسمی It was a formal meeting دا رسمی غونډه وه It was a formal meeting. Height قد his height is 6 feet. د هغه قد 6 فوټ دی. His height is 6 feet. Invent ایجاد کول. He invented a new machine. هغه نوی ماشین ایجاد کړو. He invented a new machine. Junior وړوکی رتبې والا. He is my junior at work. په کار کې هغه مانا وړوکی رتبې والا دی. He is my junior at work. Labor مزدور. Labor built this house. مزدورانو دا کور جوړ کړو. Labor built this house. Mechanic مستری. The mechanic fixed my car. مستری زما موټر ټیک کړو. The mechanic fixed my car. Prime بنیادی. Health is of prime importance. صحت بنیادی اهمیت لري. Health is of prime importance. Shift بدلون. I work the night shift. زه د شپې په بدلون کې کار کوم. I work the night shift. Signal اشاره. The traffic signal is red. د ترافیک اشاره سره ده. The traffic signal is red. Sincere مخلص. He is a sincere friend. هغه یو مخلص ملګری دی. He is a sincere friend. Ability صلاحیت. He has the ability to swim. په هغه کې د لامبي صلاحیت دی. He has the ability to swim. Agriculture کرنه. Agriculture is important for food. کرنه د خوراک د پاره مهم دی. Agriculture is important for food. مهم دی یعنی اهم دی. Cartoon کارتون. Kids love to watch cartoons. ماشومان کارتون کتل خوښوي. Kids love to watch cartoons. Ceiling چت. The ceiling is very high. چت ډیر اوچت دی. The ceiling is very high. Convince قایل کول. I will convince him to help. زه به هغه کومک کولو ته قایل کړم. I will convince him to help. Delay ځنډ. Sorry for the delay. د ځنډ د پاره بخښنه غواړم. Sorry for the delay. Diary کتابچه. I write in my diary daily. زه روزانه په خپل کتابچه کې لیکل کوم. I write in my diary daily. Element عنصر. Water is a natural element. اوبه یو قدرتی عنصر دی. Water is a natural element. Faith ایمان. I have faith in God. زما په خدای ایمان دی. I have faith in God. Grain غله. Farmers grow grain in field. زمیدار په پټي کې غله کري. Farmers grow grain in field. Greet سلام کول. I greet my teacher every day. زه روزانه خپل استاد ته سلام کوم. I greet my teacher every day. Investigate تحقیقات کول. Police will investigate the case. د معاملې تحقیقات به پولیس وکړي. Police will investigate the case. Joy خوشحالي. She danced with joy. هغه د خوشحالۍ نه په ګډا شوه. She danced with joy. Label پرچی. Read the label carefully. پرچی په غور ولوله. Read the label carefully. Monk راهب. The monk lives in a temple. راهب په مندر کې اوسیږي. The monk lives in a temple. Art عجیبه. This is an art story. دا یو عجیبه قصه ده. This is an art story. Pass وقفه. Let's pass for lunch. ځئ چې د غرمې د ډوډۍ دپاره وقفه وکړو. Let's pass for lunch. Priest پادري. The priest prayed for peace. پادري د امن دپاره دعا وکړه. The priest prayed for peace. Adopt پالل. They decided to adopt a baby. هغوی د یو ماشوم پاللو فیصله وکړه. They decided to adopt a baby. Beg سوال کول. He came to beg for help. هغه د مرستې غوښتلو سوال له راغی. He came to beg for help. Beyond اخوا. The river is beyond the hill. سیند د غونډۍ نه اخوا دی. The river is beyond the hill. Costume لباس. She wore a beautiful costume. هغې ښکلی لباس واغوستو. She wore a beautiful costume. Exclaim چغې کول. She exclaimed with joy. هغې د خوشحالۍ نه چغې کړې. She exclaimed with joy. Extend رامخکې کول. Please extend your hand. خپل لاس رامخکې کړه. Please extend your hand. Fool بیوقوف. Don't try to fool me. مانه بیوقوف مه جوړوه. Don't try to fool me. Forbid منع کول. Smoking is forbidden here. دلته سیګرټ څکل منع دي. Smoking is forbidden here. Illustrate وضاحت کول. Please illustrate your point. د خپلې خبرې وضاحت وکړئ. Please illustrate your point. Indeed واقعي. He is indeed a good man. هغه واقعي یو ښه سړی دی. He is indeed a good man. Interpret ترجمه کول. Can you interpret this word? آیا ته د دې لفظ ترجمه کولی شي؟ Can you interpret this word? Kindly په مهربانۍ سره. Kindly open the door. مهرباني وکړه ور کولاو کړه. Kindly open the door. Motive مقصد. What is his motive? د هغه مقصد څه دی؟ What is his motive? Nest جاله. Birds build nests in trees. مرغۍ په ونو کې جالې جوړوي. Birds build nests in trees. Origin اصل. What is the origin of this word? د دې لفظ اصل څه دی؟ What is the origin of this word? Reception استقبال. They gave him a warm reception. هغوی د هغه تود استقبال وکړو. They gave him a warm reception. Reject رد. He rejected my offer. هغه زما وړاندیز رد کړو. He rejected my offer. Silence چوپتیا. There was complete silence. مکمل چوپتیا خوره وه. There was complete silence. Stream ولا. A stream flows near my house. زما د کور خوا کې یو وله بهیږي. A stream flows near my house. Tone لهجه. His tone was polite. د هغه لهجه مهذب وه. His tone was polite. Accomplish حاصلول. You can accomplish your goals. ته خپل مقاصد حاصلولی شي. You can accomplish your goals. Approve منظور کول. Did they approve your plan? آیا هغوی ستا منصوبه منظور کړه؟ Did they approve your plan? Approximate تقریباً. The approximate cost is $100. قیمت تقریباً $100 دی. The approximate cost is $100. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبریږئ. Thanks for watching.